Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and tap on the display. Now we have to scroll down to localize the screen timeout option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom, almost at the bottom, the longest option, which is 30 minutes, the longest time option, because right here we've got the never option, which means that your device will never black out automatically. You'll have to do it manually. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will choose 10 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately applied, and after getting back you can see that it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.